Here is the unit for you. It's a very, very nice unit. As you can see, nimetulia kwa balcony the pool table area. You can come and play pool kama unapenda. Alafu iko na the lounge area on the other side. It's a very, very nice place that you can chill. Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is where we'll be spending the day. So leo niko Kilimani. Let me give you a house tour for the room. I don't need a date just to find out you're my type. Said she took a trip out to Cairo to find her tribe. The studio is pretty nice.
Yeah, yeah, on the open sea, got you screaming my name, my name. Up, up.
So wacha niwapeleke outside muone venye the apartments look like. Inakuja na amenities zingine safi, kuna heated swimming pool, gym, sauna and steam room.
Your composition, yeah. Tomorrow, I never show, so I gotta go deep. Every time I lay down to sleep, I cannot get you out my dreams. Still you are the remedy, girl you on fire.
The apartment really cool. So it took me like 3 minutes walk up to here. So definitely if you're looking for a place to stay in Nairobi, Ngong Road is the best place to be. That is Kilimani. It's one of the best places to stay. You do not have to struggle finding a property. I got you covered. My name is Bruno, Realtor Bruno. Thank you for watching my video. Definitely don't forget to subscribe, like and follow all my pages at Realtor Bruno or Bruno Gatino on TikTok.